So before the service begins, it is customary to clean the bike just a little bit. I know my bike usually stays clean, but there are a couple of areas where a little attention is required. Yep, that and all of that. So that, the bolts are easy to remove and they don't get messy. And it is starting to get a little bit rusty from these places, which I can't really control or clean.
लास्ट टाइम इसका ऑयल फिल्टर नहीं खुल रहा था.
Liqui Moly 10W50 street oil. So it takes about 3.5 liters. I already had half a liter left over from the last service. So engine shooter is required to flush out the entire engine oil. The NOS2 shooter is for making the gears more smooth, and this additive shooter is to form a protective layer around your gears. That really helps with the smooth shifting of the gears. And of course, I'm also getting a .5 brake fluid because it's been 4 years since I've not flushed out my brake fluid. So that will be done. So all in all, these things will be required for the motorcycle, and let's get to it.
A few moments later.
And check this out. So any ambient noise that you get is completely not my fault. I mean, the weather app showed me that it's pretty sunny outside, and evidently not. Let's add the engine flush first. Helps drain the engine oil very quickly. Once you do that, you have to run the engine for a couple of minutes. That just helps circulate that additive inside the engine oil. कितनी जल्दी ड्रेन हो गया ये.
जो हमने इंजन फ्लश डाला है ना, उसकी वजह से है ये. वो ऑयल को एकदम थिन कर देता है.
हाँ.
पहले सिर्फ आरी ऑयल फिल्टर देती थी, अब ड्रेन प्लग का ये गैस्केट भी दे रही है.
साफ कर देते फिर।
चेंज करना पड़ेगा, इतने पे भी होता तो भी चेंज कर देता हूँ।
Liqui moly brake fluid dot 5.1.
अब यहाँ से डालते जाएंगे, उधर से निकालते जाएंगे। सोप पाउडर मिट्टी का और ब्रेक फ्लूइड का मिक्सचर बन के ना यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हो जाता है सारा।
that's about it for the bike. Serviced and ready to roll. We bleeded the brakes also on this. So now it's running on TOT 5.1, this one to be exact. New engine oil and bleeded the rear brakes as well. And the bike is ready to go. However, there's a small catch, and that is, it is still raining outside.
You didn't see that coming?
So I will be leaving the bike here and catching a cab. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Shri out.